Here's the thing with this course. First, you need to understand you.
What do we care about? What's that obsession?
With that, you can change your destiny and somebody else's.
That's the intention of the course, to free you to do what they know they can do and what they know they should do, and how all of that could lead to a possible career.
How can I plot out an actual plan for myself to get my foot in the door and get started in this business if I'm taking it seriously?
I'm going to teach you how to write a love story.
Will help you become a good graphic designer. I'm going to show you how to build a business.
I want to bring you something that you can use, not just at work, but everywhere.
How you can make best food choices for a long and healthy life.
To make a blueprint for healthy living.
And how to sleep better.
I'm going to teach you the 7 secrets of great public speaking.
And how to remove stress from your life so that happiness becomes part of every day.
No matter what else you get out of this course, I want you to start seeing the world a little bit differently.
Stop.
You never know when you're going to finish, but if you don't get started, it never happens.
No matter what age you are, whether you're 90 or whether you're 20.
Let people know what I have to say matters.
I'm Brian Cox.
I'm Trinny Woodall.
I'm Marco Pierre-White.
I'm Jo Malone.
I'm Mark Ronson.
I'm Stephen Bartlett.
I'm Paula Scher.
I'm Evie Pomperis.
And I'm Billy Conley.
And this is BBC Maestro.